Big news dropped today that could shake up the entire crypto scene in the US. First up, the highly anticipated US cryptocurrency bill has finally been announced, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. This isn't just some vague proposal. It specifically includes 6 altcoins, with XRP right there in the mix. This is massive because it starts to lay down a clear path for how digital assets will be regulated here in the States. For years, we've been operating in a bit of a Wild West, but this bill could bring some much-needed clarity and legitimacy to the market. It's a crucial step towards mainstream adoption and could really define the future of crypto in America. Next, we got to talk about Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano. He just made a pretty shocking revelation. He personally lost a staggering $25 billion. Yeah, you heard that right, $25 billion. That kind of hit really puts the extreme volatility of this market into perspective, even for the biggest players. But Hoskinson isn't one to stay down. He's already looking ahead, hinting that 2026 could be the next big bull year for crypto. Now, while it's interesting to hear predictions from a giant like Charles, remember, the crypto market is always a wild card. Things can change on a dime. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research, folks. And finally, something else is heating up. Privacy coins are back in the spotlight. We're talking about coins like Monero or XMR and Dash. So what exactly are privacy coins? Simply put, they're cryptocurrencies designed to make your transactions anonymous and untraceable. Think of it like this. When you use regular crypto, your transaction history is often public. But with privacy coins, it's like sending money in a sealed, unmarked envelope. Nobody can see who sent what to whom. With all the growing concerns about digital privacy and data security, it's no surprise that people are turning to these coins to keep their financial dealings under wraps. It shows that anonymity is becoming a top priority for a lot of users out there. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.